AWS Python Lambda can't access EFS files. I'm trying to have Python Lambda use EFS as library storage, but it seems it can't get the contents of it. So this code doesn't work on Lambda. However, when I mount the EFS from C9, same code works. I'm sure that the C9 Python installation doesn't have pandas itself. I tried doing which logs true, then I tried which logs empty array. I've defined local path for Lambda file system as /mnt/EFS, and in C9 env I see that the features directory is created there. In EFS I see that the size matches. Access point is defined with root path /EFS and has 777 permissions. Any ideas what I'm missing would be appreciated.
The issue was where I had placed features dir in EFS. The access point had defined root as /EFS, but I had put it via C9 into /features. After moving features to /EFS/features, it worked fine.
First,